Hello, if you want to set up the fingerprint sensor on POCO X7 Pro, you need to go to the settings, then scroll down and go to fingerprints, face data and screen lock, and then you can tap fingerprint unlock. If you have the screen lock set up at this point, then you will need to enter the password. If not, then you will be asked to set up the screen lock first, so you will need to draw the pattern, enter the PIN code that you wish to have, or the password. And then let's proceed. Of course, we have the screen protector tip where the screen protectors may interfere with the fingerprint recognition. So let's press got it. And now over here on the display, we have the fingerprint scanner. So let's touch with our finger to start scanning. Of course, we want to touch it and then lift our finger. And ideally, we want to scan as much of our finger as possible. So try to touch it from every angle possible so that in the future, you don't have any issues with unlocking your device. Of course, we need to do this until the fingerprint icon in the middle is filled. And there we go, we have the information that we are done, so we can press done. And then we have the fingerprint settings. So we can find our fingerprint over here. We can add another one. We can use fingerprint for the lock screen, privacy password, app lock, and so on and so forth. We also have the fingerprint recognition effect, which we can change over here. And we also have some more tools like the low light fingerprint unlock, or we can also show the fingerprint icon when the screen is off. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.